Welcome, watercolor artists. Today I am working on a watercolor batik of Harkness Hall at Yale University. And once the whole thing is covered in wax and the wax is hardened up and is ready to crumble, I'm literally just going to crumble this whole thing into a ball. And I know you think that I'm on crack cocaine, and I swear I'm not. I've cleaned up. But I'm going to crumble it all into a ball, and then I'm going to rub color into the cracks and melt it off and hope it don't destroy the painting. So this is part of the watercolor batik process. I feel like I should do the Jaws soundtrack when I'm crumbling, do the do danger. You know, it's dangerous. You can literally destroy this stuff. I have torn these into 1,000 pieces before. Whenever I teach my classes or workshops, my goal is to teach you guys the things to not do what I have done before. I hope that makes sense. But I think that's very helpful. Because let's face it, I've messed up a lot. So when I'm trying to teach people things, I'm always telling you things to not do. Because we all make mistakes. We're human. And let's face it, if you can't laugh at yourself, there's no point. And here's the mostly finished painting of the tower. I forgot to put the tree in, so I still have to paint the tree in the foreground. But it's mostly complete, so if you're interested in learning the watercolor batik process, please contact me. I'm always interested in doing more workshops or classes all over the country. If you like this content, hit subscribe. I'll have more watercolor tutorials in the future. Thanks a lot, and happy painting.